Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Victoria and welcome to Pembroke Beauty. So today we are doing a e-girl makeup look. You can see this all over TikTok. This is just a very trendy e-girl style makeup that I have been kicking around doing for so long, and I finally decided to try it out and show you on camera how it turned out. Spoiler, I'm obsessed. So if you want to see how to get this makeup look, then just keep watching. Alright, so I have my concealer, my face powder, and my bronzer on, and I'm going to go in with the Colourpop blush sticks from the Limoncello collection in the shade Picnic Time. The main thing for e-girl makeup is just blush everywhere, so I figured this would be a good shade to use, and I'm going to go in with this brush and just paint it onto the brush. This you can put on with your fingers, but I do personally like it more off of a brush, and this is going to be very intense, and so as I said, I'm just going to blush everywhere. So I'm going to go hard. This shade is so pretty. I actually haven't used this yet. If you haven't seen my Limoncello collection video, go ahead and check that out. But I have not actually used this shade. I have used this formula before. You guys know I love this formula, so I was expecting to like it. But this is really nice. Ooh, I like that. I'm sorry my lighting is all crazy intense. I'm trying to figure it out with this backdrop, but I like this backdrop so much that I wanted to use it. But I hope it doesn't blow out all the colors. I'm worried. And I'm bringing this up onto my eyelid almost, which is why I haven't done my brows yet. All over the cheeks. My neighbor is currently doing weed whacking, so hopefully you guys can't hear that. I'm going to put some on the tip of my nose. So I think we're good for that. I'm going to use a highlight that is in the palette that I'm going to use. So I'm going to move on to my eyebrows, and I'm just going to use the Covergirl Easy Breezy Brow, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to move on to the highlight real quick. So I'm going to go in with the palette I'm going to use today, which is the Zodiac Love Signs palette from BH Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. I have a couple tutorials on my channel using this palette. I freaking love this palette. And I'm going to go in with the middle shade as my highlight. This shade is intense, so I'm going to use it kind of sparingly. I don't want to go too crazy. I'm just going to go in with that and highlight my cheeks. You guys will see. It has a lot of glitter, but I like the glitter, so it's okay. But because this is a cream blush, it definitely holds that glitter a little more intense. I'm going to add a little bit on the tip of my nose, literally just the tip. So I'm going to take this little Aloe brush, and I'm going to go into the white shade right here, which is a matte, kind of white, light pink almost, but it's very white, so I don't think it'll show up pink. And I'm just going to put that right in the inner corner. It's so much better. I don't understand. Anyway, sorry. We had to have that little switch up there, but it was necessary. In the inner corner. See how bright? Oh, so bright. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with the more fluffy brush from that Aloe Trios set. And I'm going to go in with just, you can do this makeup tutorial with any shades, but I figured I'd go more neutrals. Warm neutrals. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is kind of a yellowy orange shade. And I'm going to mix it in with this shade right here, which is kind of a more deeper version of that shade. And I'm going to blend that into our crease. And just blend it up and kind of blow this shade out. This eye look is going to be very simple. It's mostly about the eyeliner. I just saw it everywhere and I saw everybody trying it, and I felt like I wanted to jump on the bandwagon because it was really cute. I'm going to use this flat Tarte brush to go into this shade right here, which is the deepest brown in this palette, pretty much, other than that one. And I'm just going to put that on my lid, along the lash line as well. And then we'll blend it up into those crease shades. I'm doing my own rendition of this. I'm going to blend that out with the big fluffy brush that we were using. I'm going to then use a more flat brush, like a small little I'm actually going to go in with this round, small brush. I'm going to go into those shades again, and I'm going to kind of like make a, I'm going to go in with this shade, this mid-tone brown shade. Tap that off, and I'm going to make like a lower lash, a little lower than my lower lash, if that makes sense, and kind of drag it out. And kind of pull this eyeshadow out to meet it. So then we're moving on to eyeliner. So I'm going to take my all-time favorite NYX matte liquid liner, and I'm going to draw a line from my lower lash line out to meet like the end of that. And then we're going to add little fake lashes on the lower lash line. I think it looks good. So the next thing that you want to do is use a white or a very light color in your inner lash line. So I don't have a white anymore, I used to, but I have the Colourpop cream gel liner in Honeydude, which is a nude. And I'm going to use that on my inner lash line. So as you can see, I shortened this wing. I just went in with a couple Q-tips and wiped it off. I didn't like how long it was after I did it, but you watched me put on this one and I just made this one short to match. And honestly, I'm feeling like it looks pretty good right now. Like I feel like it looks like how I'm wanting it to look, which is good. So I have not fully decided yet if I want to do an inner corner thing, but I kind of feel like I don't. Let me look. Yeah, I think I don't want to. So I think I'm just going to leave it like this, and I'm going to put some lashes on. So I would typically go with a half lash, but I think I want to do a full lash today and put those on. But before I do that, I can do this on camera with you. I think this part is really cute, so I want to do this. So I have the NYX white liquid liner, and I'm going to do these like 3 little slashes she has here. And just put this down. I think this will be cute. It's cute! It's really cute. I like it. Aww. Okay. So I'm going to put lashes on and I'll be right back. I am almost speechless at how much I'm enjoying this. Okay. So we're gonna move on to lips, and a key thing about Egirl lips is typically they have the rounded top here, and it's like kind of up. So I'm going to go in with the Starfire Glide On Radiant Lip Pencil. This is just in like a nude shade, and I'm going to line my lips in a way such as that. So bottom lip normal. Then we're gonna go like out from the side and kind of flip it up. Then we're gonna pull from there. And I'm just going straight across. We'll see. So now I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sellout, and I'm going to fill in my lips just like this. This is definitely out of my comfort zone. Okay, have to get rid of the sides. They're too bad. So I'm just going to go in. Oh my god. I'm just going to go in with a Q-tip and just wipe off the corners. I feel like it's coming together. Okay. So now I want to go... Whoa. Now I want to go in with the gloss. I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Luxe lip gloss in the shade Biscotti, and I'm going to just put this on my lips. This gloss, you guys, is so good. Oh my god. So this is the completed look. I literally could not be more obsessed with it. Okay, first of all, I just have to show you the outfit because I went all out. So we have Hello Kitty, cute crop, baby doll tee. Then obviously we have the choker, it's necessary. We have the space buns, half up, half down. Have the star earrings. I don't know, I just felt like this really fit the vibe and I love it. This is something that I would never have thought I would have liked this much on myself, but I so much like this. Like, I feel cute. I feel hot. Like, I like it a lot. I really do. I think it's really cute. So if you are somebody who was like on the fence about wanting to try this, I think, you know, if you have a Saturday or a Friday night that you're not doing anything and you just want to try it out just for fun, super easy. Like, it can be messy. Mine is not perfect by any means, but I think it's just really cool. I love it. And yeah, anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I thoroughly enjoyed doing it. This is something I've been kicking around doing for a while, so I'm glad I finally tried it and you got to watch me do it. So anyway, if you have not watched any of my recent videos, go ahead and watch them. You can subscribe to this channel if you have not already. Send this video to an e-girl in your life or somebody who likes the grungy, trendy makeup. I really don't know. The nice thing about this look is you could totally do this with blues, pinks, reds, orange, green, yellow, like purples, anything. This is a neutral version, but you could absolutely, and I may eventually go ahead and do this with some other colors, because how fun. You could switch up the eyeliner color. You could do a totally different lip. Like, I feel like with changing all of those things, you could totally switch up the vibe of this. Like, this right now is very grungy, very like classic e-girl, I feel like. But if you did like a cute pink eye, maybe like a light pink, or maybe like a cute light purple, like a lilac, and then did like some white eyeliner and did a really cute pink lip, this could totally pull like soft girl cottagecore kind of vibe. I don't know, I think it could totally be cool and really cute, and I really like it. So anyway, I will stop, but go ahead, subscribe to this channel because I have some exciting things, including a fashion haul coming up for you. So if you have not already watched any of my fashion videos, I will link them there. Go ahead and check that out. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Anyway, thank you so much again. Stay safe, make good choices, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!